Guys, this is Srikantapuram. Welcome back to a new video. In this video, I will be showing you how you can train your biceps at home without any equipment. You can use a brick or a dumbbell if you have one. So today I will show you all the exercises and techniques by which you can build your biceps at home and which will give you a proper pump so that you can feel the muscles. So let's go. Okay, so the first exercise will be dumbbell curls. You should hold the dumbbells or a brick like this, and then you have to do this and slowly leave. Lift and then slowly leave. Again lift, slowly leave. Lift and leave. This way you have to do 15 reps. Okay, so the second exercise will be push-up. You shouldn't take a break after the 15 sets. Immediately you should get on push-ups and get 10 push-ups, which will be really great for your biceps. So I'm losing myself tonight. Losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. Third exercise will be the same dumbbell curls. The second set. First set, you have to do 15 reps. After that, you have to do push-ups 10 reps. And again 15 reps. At this time, after push-ups, you can take a break of just 10 seconds. Don't give your body a lot of break. It will not help your muscles build fast. If you don't give it break, your muscles will build really fast and you can notice that. So let's move on to the third exercise. So the third exercise will be this. You have to hold your dumbbell at medium grip or a brick for this case. For the case if you don't have a dumbbell, so you have to lift like the normal previous dumbbell curl and then turn, slowly release. Lift, slowly release. Lift, slowly release. Lift, slowly release. Again lift and then release. So same, you have to get 15. This is only one set, so 15 reps, you have to get it. After you're done with the exercise, you can just do this for a warm-up. This will help you strengthen your forearms and it will be a relief for your biceps. So you can do this for just around 15 to 20 seconds. That's more than enough. And that's for the break. So okay, so after you're done with this exercise, the twist, you have to do plank. Plank, I will suggest you guys to do up to 1 to 2 minutes. Anytime you can hold from this. If you have never done plank, if you have never done plank or you're not great at it, first do for 30 seconds, take a rest, do again 30 seconds. Like that, do it 3 times and you will be able to do plank up to 2 minutes in another 5 days. So yeah, even I was a beginner, so now let's do it.
The lights in here are blinding me and I can't see clearly anymore. I have no fear how this will end. No, nothing scares me anymore. If we never see tomorrow, babe, if we never make it through today, if we never see tomorrow, babe, I know that I lived.
Okay, so after you're done with plank, I hope you got at least 1 minute, and if you did, it's really great. And if you keep doing this exercise, trust me, you can build proper biceps at home. No need of gym. Trust me. And now after you're done with plank, you have to do with regular bicep curls, which is this.
avoid taking a break while doing this. Keep doing. This doesn't have limit. Do till you can. Try not to give up. At least get 20 sets. And this will be the exercise after plank. Okay, after you're done with normal curls, you would have already noticed your biceps. It would have been pumped and you will feel difficult to do this, and you will have great pump. So yeah, all these exercises are properly managed and they don't harm your biceps or harm your body. It only helps you build your biceps. All exercises are great, nothing will harm you. So yeah, don't worry, just go to the terrace or in your home or basement. Just train wherever possible, and you can use a brick, you can use a rock, you can use anything available at home. In case you don't have dumbbells, you don't have bricks, you can use bucket with water. But remember, you need proper grip, otherwise it can damage your leg if it falls. So yeah, avoid that, and let's get on to the next exercise. Now for the next exercise, hold the grip with your index and thumb finger here to the right corner, basically the outer part. This is the inner part, this is the outer part. Hold it towards the outer part. Same with this hand. And then keep it at normal position like this. And then while you come this much, turn, pull. Now again go like this, turn, release. Turn, pull, turn, release. Up, turn, pull, down, turn, leave. Up, pull, down, turn, leave. So this is also a very good exercise. It might seem a bit it might confuse you guys, but that's not a problem. Okay guys, for the next exercise, you have to have brick or dumbbell as I told you, and just out, your hand will be like this. Just turn it like this, and now do this. This will cause a lot of pain for some people, but once you get practice, it won't affect you much. Like it's not affecting me now. This is hard, so get at least 8 to 10 sets, reps in one set. That's going to be really great. Okay, so do this and get 8 to 10 sets. That's really, reps. That's really going to be great. After you're done with this, try at least getting 10 push-ups. That's really going to be awesome for your biceps, because your biceps needs to chill also, like you do in this lockdown. So yeah, let your biceps also chill after the workout. And that's it for the bicep workout. I showed you how you can train biceps without any equipment at home. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and comment to my video. And also, if you want more videos, I'll be making more videos from tomorrow itself. I'll be uploading daily, so you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that's it for today. Bye.